In this video, you'll learn how to integrate map and GPS features into your app. Inserting the map itself is easy. Simply click on the map field to bring up the property sheet. Give it a unique ID and place it on the canvas where you'd like. You'll need another trigger field, like a button or image button, to create a map, either using an array of GPS coordinates or addresses. Inserting GPS into your app is just as easy. Click on GPS and you'll see two fields. The default names are latitude and longitude, though you can change them if you like. You only need to place the GPS tool once anywhere in your app to use it throughout the app. Now, let's see what we can do with these tools. Here, we've set up a page in which the user can touch this Show Latitude Longitude button, and it will show the user's current location. Looking a little further, you can see this button contains a couple of actions. Before you can create a map, you need to set values for your GPS coordinates or addresses. You can do that by accessing backend data or by using JavaScript, which I'll show you how to do in this video. In this first section, before the main action, we define the action getGPS. Opening up the JavaScript editor, you can see the action further defined. Then the main action is create a map. In these fields, we've entered the names of the fields on the canvas that contain each piece of information, including the map field, zoom field, both of the fields that display the GPS, and the marker texts field. On the canvas, you can see we have the map. We have the GPS tool, which contains the latitude and longitude subfields. And we have the zoom field. In the zoom field, you can set a value between 1 and 22. 13 is a good value to begin with. These are all hidden fields so far. The map field will be populated once the user triggers the Create a Map action. Then, towards the top, we have the Show Latitude Longitude button and two fields that don't contain any information yet, the Display Latitude and Display Longitude fields. When the user touches the button, the GPS and Create a Map actions are triggered, and the information is placed into the fields Show Latitude and Show Longitude. After the map appears, the user can tap on the marker to see the marker text. Seeing this in action, imagine all the different uses for the map and GPS tools, from showing points of interest to showing locations that are selected from backend data. Install a ViziApps template app to dissect and experiment with the GPS and map tools. Then, install them in your own app. Find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating apps like a pro with ViziApps.